Alright, so we're going to create a dormer, but the first thing that we need to do is create the 912 gable that is going to be on, the dormer will be on. So I'm going to go to roof, and then I'm going to move to level 2, and then I'm going to create my gable. So as I click, if I make them all no pitch, I can hit escape, and then I can highlight both that I want to have a pitch and check define slope. So now they both have a 912 pitch. Then I'll hit my green check mark. And now I'm going to move up to my dormer level, and I can kind of see the part of the roof that I just created. Okay, so now when I'm up there, I'm going to go to wall, and I'm going to create the 3 walls of the dormers. Before I do that, I got to mess with a few things. So I'm going to make the wall height 4 feet. It doesn't need to be like 10 or 20 feet, what it defaults at. Dormer walls are very short, so I'm going to make them 4 feet. So you're going to kind of want to roughly draw, kind of like in this area, should give you enough. And you're going to draw 3 walls that kind of create this backwards C shape. Then you'll create a roof that goes on top of that. So I'm going to do a roof. And I'm going to do a gable roof, which I think it's supposed to be a 712 gable roof. So I'm going to check define slope, and then uncheck. And then this back one, you do not want an overhang, so this is where you're actually going to draw a line straight down. And then I got to just change my pitch, so I'm actually going to highlight both of them. And I'm going to change them to be 712 and hit apply. Hit my green check mark, and yes, I want to attach these walls. Oh, actually, I'm going to cancel that. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Back up. And before I hit my green check mark, I actually want to offset my roof 4 feet high. So it's not like flat on the ground. I want it 4 feet up, just like to match the height of my walls. Okay, so I'm going to hit my green check mark. Yes, I want to attach the walls. And now let's check out what we've created in 3D View. So I got some work to do. So let's kind of mess with my first thing. I don't know why that's so... Oh, it has a base offset. Okay, there we go. Okay. So first thing, I'm going to kind of fix up my first one. I'm going to attach my walls to my roof. Attach my walls to my roof. Great. And then you'll notice your dormer needs some help here. So the roof doesn't extend all the way back, and we have a hole. So the way to do that is click on your dormer roof, and then you're going to click on this little icon, join roof. You'll click on the, join roof. Click on the edge of the roof, and then you want to connect it to this surface and see how it extends back. It will cut off the tip of the peak of your roof if it is too high. So I could always offset my roof down a little bit lower. Instead of 4 feet, I could maybe do 3.5 feet, and then I won't have that issue. And you'll notice my walls attach with it. And then you'll also notice that my walls are going through my roof. So you can actually attach the base of your wall to the roof, and now I have a nice angled wall, and then I can always extend it back further if need be. And then I'm going to attach the base of this to that, and you'll notice they'll all extend down. And then the final one, attach the base to this roof. And that's as far as we'll go. There's a lot more you could do. You could cut a hole out of the main gable roof. You can add windows and stuff, but that's kind of my expectations.